Hey everyone, it's Ed. Welcome back to the channel. This is just a real quick update. We are a third of the way through the organization class and just wanted to draw your attention to what it looks like for those of you who may not be signed up. For those of you who already are, thank you so much for signing up for the course. There are several ways you can do this. We're going to walk through. I'll show you what the first three modules kind of look like. And then I'll show you how you can either purchase or join my Patreon or purchase via YouTube. So there's several different ways to get into the course, but happy to talk to you about it. Really excited about where this is going. Working on module 4 right now out of 9 and hoping to have that out soon. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump over. So here we are inside of the class. What I want to draw your attention to is that you can already see the first several modules. And of course, you can see the ones that I'm going to be working on. But if you're new to getting organized and organizing your time and organizing your file structures, that's what modules 1 and 2 and 3 are really all about. So the idea of getting to know your style, what you're already doing to organize, how you can change up or begin to think about what that toolkit might look like, that's what we do in module 1. So you'll see things, you get to know me, I get to know you a little bit. I ask you to share information on what your current process is and how you're currently organizing. And then at the end of every module, what you're going to see is an organization check, which is where you're at right now, but also a feedback component, because I want to know how things are going. How did you learn something new? Are there things that can be improved? That's where I'm looking for that continuous feedback. In module 2, we move on to cognitive mapping or mind mapping. And we start to talk about different ways to organize your thoughts and your processes at that very 30,000 foot level. So how are you working towards getting yourself organized? And I outline my process, and we can go ahead and pop that open real quick, and I'll show you. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but I talk about what the video is, and then I give all of these are dedicated videos to the course. So none of this has been on my YouTube channel. This is me having a conversation with you. And all of this is set up in Google Classroom, so it's pretty easy to navigate. Obviously, it's not like a traditional learning management system, but it works pretty well, and it's easy for sharing things. Now, once I show you my process, then I give you some additional resources, links to different types of mind maps, different tools, different ways of thinking about this. And you'll notice that actually in several of these modules, almost every module really, where I point you to other approaches. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that my way is the only way. That would be both egotistical and untrue, and I'm not going to do that. What I do is tell you that this is the way I do things, and then I give you some other approaches to it. Then there's a mind mapping exercise, and when you pull up these exercises, and I'm not going to open it up because it may show some information on somebody enrolled in the course, but what these do is they give you an exercise to practice. So use the software tools, use pen and paper, use an e-ink tablet, whatever you have, and try out the mind mapping process. And then with the organization check, this is a reflective activity. What did you learn? How did it impact you? What were the things that were most interesting in this process for you? And this is where you can have a discussion with others in the course. You can ask me questions, you can ask them questions, you can drop your example. You don't have to, but you can drop your example of your mind map in here and have a conversation. Module 3 is all about folders and files. So again, we start by talking a lot about what are folders and files. How do you work through this process? You've got that 30,000 foot view with the mind mapping, but how do you take this now and put it into a structure? How do you deal with that? And that's where you, again, have an introductory video. I talk you through the process a little bit, let you know what's coming up throughout the module, and then I show you my approach. Again, all of the different components of this, including 3 different videos here talking through that approach and give, again, additional folders and files and different ways of thinking about this. And then finally, I have you either show me a file structure you've already created or have you go ahead and jump in and create a new file structure. And this is shared with me. So one thing to know about these two different things, the creating your own, which is the exercise, that just comes to me. It's between me and you. We have a conversation back and forth about what you're struggling with, what you might need, what your examples are. That's not going to be shared with anyone else. The organization check is about then sharing that out or sharing out questions you have or reflecting back. And that's where, if you choose to, you can share with other people and get that conversation started. However, you don't have to. And again, you'll see that organization check and the module feedback. Upcoming, you have module 4, which is going to be on what tools do you need? How do you assess that? How do you come up with what you're going to need? Then we dig into the Supernote for 3 different modules, talking about all kinds of different tools. And then we go into Obsidian. And once we get all of this done, then we will combine it all into a final module where you'll use all of these skills. You should have all of this built out and you'll know what's best for you. Now, how do you purchase this? How do you actually get access to the course? And I think it's really important here to talk about why I've structured it the way I have. So when you click in, you can go straight to this page. It'll be in the description below, and you can click on Buy Now, and it will take you through the process of purchasing the course. For the whole course, lifetime access, it's $120. If you are a supporter in Patreon at that tier, you can get this with just your $5 a month subscription. Again, it's lifetime access, and as this rolls out, you're getting it immediately. If you are a Patreon or YouTube insider, you can get a steep discount on this. And what you would do then is just contact me and you get a discount code. If you're a Patreon insider, it's automatic, or it should be. If you have any trouble, you let me know. YouTube, you have to contact me first for the discount code. And once you do that, you'll get the discount applied and you can, again, purchase this. And that's just giving back and thanking all of you who support my work and support the channel. But anytime you can purchase this for the outright amount or by being a supporter or an insider. So anyway, that was a quick update. Like I said, we're a third of the way through the course. I think everything is going well. I've heard good feedback. Please let me know if you have any questions, if there's anything that's unclear, if there's something down the line you'd like me to highlight. But otherwise, feel free to jump in, purchase the course, sign up as an insider or a supporter on YouTube or Patreon. And until next time, keep on moving forward, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.